Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be changing out these little emblems right here. They come chrome. I'm going to be putting on a black one. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll get started here in a moment. Some tools you'll need for this DIY is going to be just alcohol, microfiber cloth, clean one, and then your replacement pieces right here. This is going to be for the Tacoma logos. This is just held on by 3M, so it should be pretty straightforward. And this one's for the little V6 emblem right here on the back. Right there. First things first, we want to clean the surface right here with your alcohol wipe. I'm just going to dry it off. The cleaner prep work you do here, the better it's going to stick. Okay, so we're going to give that a few minutes for it to dry, and then we'll go ahead and get it on there. Alright, so this right here is, again, I just went with black. This just sticks on that little side piece right there with just 3M tape. So you're going to pull it off on both sides, and then you want to start from the bottom and then clip it in like that. It's almost like a Lego. It only goes in one way also. Alright, go ahead and pull this off. Okay. I'm going to hold it like this for about 10 seconds. Alright, it is looking great. I'm going to go ahead and go over to the other side and knock it out. Alright, so now I'm here in the rear, the exact same process. Let's get it done. Alright, so I just got it there in the back. It turned out very well. Let's go ahead and go over here to the side. Everything here looks good as well. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. If you like it, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. And I will see you on the next one.